Going everybody, I'm back, and in this video I'm going to go over with you guys a little handy item that I highly recommend. This little package here is called the Yakattack Visicarbon Pro, and I'm going to kind of go over with why you would want to have this on your boat and how I have mounted it. I'm going to go ahead and open it and show you guys real quick on how to mount one of these. So what's cool is everything is contained in this right here. So check this out. Everything I need is in this little bag, and the bag actually turns into a flag. So I'm going to pull that out, lay that down right there. Check it out. It's like a tent pole, so they're fiberglass tent poles. You see that? See these two little hooks here? You're going to take this, put one up into there like that. And one in there like that. You see that? So you see how that looks, and then you see this right here. It's got a T-bolt down there. That's going to slide in there. I'm going to loosen that up. And I mounted this mighty mount in the back here. But anytime, screw that on like that. And check that out. So yeah, anytime I'm on a lake where I think there's a lot of like boat traffic, I'll run one of these just to add a little more visibility in there. This is reflective, and it's the nice, this does have reflective material there, and that is an actual light. So you turn that on. You can't see it in the day, but there's two AA batteries in there. You turn this and it turns on a light, but you can see the flag right there. Highly recommend one of these if you guys haven't picked these up. I'll leave a link where you can get to these in the description below, but it's the Yakattack Visicarbon Pro. This is an item that I would highly recommend on those those big lakes that have a lot of boat traffic. This could potentially save your life. Just adds a little more visibility from a distance. And some lakes require you to have something like this, so sometimes there's a requirement where you have to have this, but it's very nice. It's a very handy thing to have. It's a little pricey, so it's not the cheapest thing to take it off. Check this out too. If you got rod holders, look at this. That thing just pops right down in the rod holder. Is that not cool? So if you don't have if you didn't mount like a track type system and you don't care to like use up for one of your rod holders, that's so handy right there. So you can add it right there to a rod holder. Just gives a little more visibility on the water, and you know I'm all about the visibility. That's why you'll see. That's why I'm not a fan of black boats, camouflage boats. I want somebody to see my boat from a distance. If they're zooming across the lake, if they're zooming across the lake and you can see a little bit, I want them to see that. That's a very handy item to have that can potentially save your life. Yeah, and to put it back up, when I'm ready to put this thing up, what I do, I just basically break it down like that. Look how you can break this down. Take those little bungee hooks off, and look at that. The entire thing stows right back in the same bag that the flag's made out of. Very nice to have, and it floats because it has that foam on it. Is that not cool? Look how nice that is. Highly recommend one of these, guys. I highly recommend this. And then just toss it in the back of your boat, somewhere in the back. I usually keep it in the back. I won't be using it out here. I don't really need it because I'm out and there's no boat traffic or anything. But yeah, thanks a lot, guys. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you guys next time.